Today we are going to introduce the Nilight 120W triple row light bar. Let's take a look together now. Open the box, you can see a warranty card. You can contact us to inquire about product issues through the contact information on the warranty card. Includes 2 pieces 6.5-inch LED flood and spot combo light bar with black aluminum housing and high-quality LED chips. 16 AWG wiring harness kit with on and off switch, durable adjustable mounting brackets and accessories for quick installation. Simply fix the bracket to the light with bolts and screws, then connect the wiring harness kit to the light and your power supply. The dazzling lights easily light up the dark night, bring you wider and farther view area.